On my last day of high school, I was 15 years old. I left after my teacher told me that I was an idiot and that I was hopeless. I left with zero education, but I did have a dream. I'm from a single parent household from the most underprivileged town in the west coast of Scotland. But that dream was strong. And through being introduced to the work of Louise Hay, I learned that we live in the totality of possibility and that anything is possible. I had a dream of helping others. I wanted others to connect spiritually the way I've always been able to since I was a little boy. And I set on this dream of being able to teach others to what was so natural to me. It's been almost 20 years since that day I walked out of high school, and since then I've written 8 books. I'm an international best-selling author, a Wall Street Journal bestseller, and also a UK top 20 author. My dream became my reality, and my life is evidence that becoming an author is possible for anyone. I'm going to be sharing how I got from high school dropout to best-selling author at the Hay House Writers Workshop this September in Edinburgh. I hope to see you there.